So how do you make that 70s Farrah Fawcett hairstyle if you have thin hair? I have thin hair myself, so I want to give you some tips I have invented through my life and to share some experiences I got in hairdresser school too, so you can make the hairstyle as long lasting as possible. Well, first of all, as I have mentioned in one of my shorts video a few months ago, that you should make permanent in the front hair in order to last in a shape. Well, it may sound a little bit weird for you because most of the people think that permanent serves only to make your hair curly and nothing more. Yes, this is true that the permanent makes your hair curly, but in this case it serves like underlay for the blow dry. With the permanent, it's much easier to blow dry the hair the way you want. And when you're doing the permanent, don't forget to put 1.5 milliliters of Olaplex number 1 into the 30 milliliters of the neutralizer is a phrase 2 in order not to damage your hair, because as you maybe know already, the thin hair are easy to damage by chemicals and heat. So if you want to see whole the process of doing the permanent, please click the link in this video. If you want to make highlights, dye your hair, or to put henna, you should do it 1.5 months after you do the permanent. And don't make permanent more than twice a year, because you will damage your hair terribly. Before you start to blow dry, put a hair mousse, or I can give you a tip how you can add more volume into your hair naturally. One of the longer lasting and best tips to add volume is to put henna on your hair and leave it on your hair at least 1 hour and do it like twice a year. But as I said, you should wait 1.5 months after you dye or bleach or do permanent on your hair. If you have blonde hair, you can use the transparent henna. The henna is good that it's making the film over the hair, thus adding a bit more structure into it, and it also prevents the hair to absorb the excess humidity from the air too, so there is a chance that the hairstyle will last longer. Or you can use my natural recipe to make your own volumizing hair gel. Before using this hair gel, don't forget to use leave-in conditioner because it's pretty strong. The instructions you can see if you click to see my shorts video right here. When you finish blow drying, for boosting your volume, you can use this small crimper near the roots. I got this one for 20 euros and it has the ceramic surface. Then if you have thin hair, you should avoid everything with SLS. You can see this in ingredients as sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate and silicones, so it means everything ending with icon, for example dimeticone, simeticone, amodimeticone, cyclometicone, because this degrades your roots, and especially silicones make your hair flat, so it's difficult to build a volume. If you want to see how the process how to cut the hairstyle, please check this short video. This is all for now, and if you have the problem with oily hair, which is very common in thin hair, stay tuned for the next video.